Hi, today we're gonna cook beef pumpkin stir fry. And that's a pumpkin here. You can buy them in the store or you can using the regular pumpkin. We have to use around 2 pounds, 2 pounds of pumpkin. So you cut them in a big slice. You like that? So you cut it. You cut it like that and cut it small slice. Then after that, you're gonna take the seed out like that, and you use a knife to cut the skin off, like that. See, like that. Then you cut them into chunk, Okay, yeah, I get it done here, cutting the pumpkin, and you put on the side, and we also cut the beef too. The beef we're gonna use is we use a New York strip, around a pound. Okay. All you have to do, you cut it in big chunk. Okay, we cut it like that. Then cut it slice. Okay. And after this one. Alright. Now we're gonna marinate that beef with a little salt. And just sprinkle some of the black pepper. Just like that. And some of the soy sauce, little soy sauce. And little oil. At the meantime, we can turn on the heat here. Okay, and this is and that's all we need to marinate. Okay, let me wash my hand. Couple tablespoon of oil in it. Try to brown up the both sides. Okay, then so we turn them over. And we're gonna put some gingers, about 1 teaspoon of gingers and 1 teaspoon of chopped up garlic. We're gonna put 3 teaspoons of black bean sauce in it, and you put the pumpkin in it. After that, we're gonna put some water or chicken broth in it, so enough to cover the pumpkin. So you just keep adding it. If not enough, you can always add some in it, see. And we can put the cover on so that will faster to cook. Oh, so it's pretty close, you know that. But I think we need to cook it longer, so we should add some more water or boil in it. Make sure they are covered. Okay, like that. See, they get deeper color when they cook. Alright, we let it cook a few more minutes. Okay, I think it's about done. And now we're going to test it with a fork, okay? So you can see it go through or not. Okay, it go through. Yeah. So it should be okay. Okay, it go through. All right. Couple tablespoons of cooking wine. One tablespoon of soy sauce. And half tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sprinkle some of the black pepper. Then we can put the beef in it right now. And some green onion. And 1 oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We're going to put it on the plate right now. Yeah. Okay, this is beef pumpkin stir fry.